Hi, I'm Ingrid, a yoga teacher from Norway. I have a yoga studio in my hometown, Trondheim, and I do yoga and retreats as a living. This hotel was for me really a surprise. The size, the calmness, the quiet, the stillness. It was really a clean pool, really a good place to stay around the pool. A lot of space, a lot of rooms, a lot of props for yoga and for the massage and for the wellness and the well-being in this place was really surprisingly good. And also very reachable, going with a bus to the Phuket city and to the beaches and the markets and exploring the islands outside this coast. So we had a lot of fun and we did a lot of activity that was more than expected actually. I brought this group with me with 10 people and there was a lot of space, so 10 people is more than enough equipment and space around us. And I brought people with me from 23 to 66 years and all of them were really comfortable staying here. I would love to bring couples or just ladies, young people. I also have a plan for a senior retreat in this place. And for people staying here, not on a retreat, there's a lot of yoga activity going on in this hotel. So you can stay here for your own yoga retreat without any teacher following you from your home country. I think that was really nice thing. I would have traveled to this place if I should go to some place for having just the free time, spare time and doing yoga as well. It was so worth staying here or traveling all the way, 24 hours flights from Norway. It was so worth staying in this place. I felt really welcome. I think everything about this trip was more easy than I expected because the service and the people guiding us around in this hotel and also about guiding us to the tours in this area. I'm really happy. I'm really happy and I'm looking forward to coming back to this hotel. Thank you.